There are tons of shady algorithms at work to make sure that you stay on the platform for as long as possible while giving you breadcrumbs of hope that you'll meet and match with someone soon. The guys trying to date online are mostly on the losing end of this. Take Tinder, for example, the largest dating site in the world. Close to 80% of its users are men, while only 20% are women. Stats from Tinder also show that men swipe right on 48% of the profiles they encounter, while women only swipe right on 14% of male profiles. If you think of it in cold, hard economic terms, this disconnect creates a huge buyer's disadvantage for men, which is precisely the market gap these companies exploit to capitalize on male desperation and loneliness. As the walls of dating opportunity for these men closed, companies that operate these dating apps saw a market gap that they could profit from. Like almost every other dating app, Tinder assigns your profile a hidden desirability rate. To put it more bluntly, this is how desirable the algorithm thinks you are and views you before deciding your visibility on the platform. In the inner circles of the company, this is called the ELO score, even though Tinder doesn't openly admit it. You start